Sorry, my stomach hates me.
Aww. It's okay, Hotshot. It only happens when your stomach just growls so loud, like the monsters.
Really?
Yeah, we light up candles to burn some incendiary sticks. We always do. Deal with this. If your stomach growls by embarrassing you in front of me like that, don't worry. We kiss and relax in the hot spring.
Oh, yeah?
And this, well, this is where I live. It's Ken's dream house. It has a disco, it's got a dune buggy, and a whole room just for trying on clothes.
You have everything!
Everything except someone to share it with.
Oh, that's attractive.
Ooh.
How do you feel, Mr. Cunningham?
I feel extreme relaxation.
What was that?
How dare you break wind before me?
I'm sorry, baby. I didn't know it was your turn. Pardon me for being rude. It was not me. It was my food. It just popped up to say hello, and now it's gone back down below.
That's beautiful. Thank you.
Maybe they had too much. What do you think, Hotshot? Do you think they'll be peacemakers with her family, including Boris and Doris, and her little friend, helper, supporter, and sister-in-law Daisy?
You do care.
Of course I do, Hotshot. After all, I got you out of this ambushing attack. No matter what happens in your stomach, hold on.
Oh, schmoozy poo.
Googly bear.
Oh, a ladybug! Make a wish! Make a wish!
My stomach aches and my palms just got sweaty.
Oh, snap!
Better out than in, I always say.
Dory, that's a jellyfish!
Bad squishy. Bad squishy.
Oh, hello. Nice one, Simba.
Oh, thanks. Must have been the termites.
Or the crickets.
Well, maybe you shouldn't judge people before you get to know them.
That was awesome.
I think you grabbed the 40 of after potion.
Hey, can I borrow your odorant?
Yeah, get smelly garbage or dumpster.
You get low tide?
No.
How about wet dog?
Yep, stink it up.
Let us all say the pledge. I now a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. If I am to change this image, I must first change myself. Fish are friends, not food.
Except stinking dolphins. Dolphins? Yeah, they think they're so cute. Oh, look at me, I'm a flippin' little dolphin. Let me flip for you, ain't I something?
I'm on the cover of a magazine! Oh, look at our little mutant baby! Isn't we supposed to be having a fiesta? Bestialize!
Here's to us, Fiona.
Trick! Drink that, there's no going back.
I know.
But no more wallowing in the mud?
I know.
And no more itchy butt crack?
I know.
But you love being a
I
ogre.
know. But I love Fiona more.
See that? They're having some pizza with cola for lunch, for dinner, and for a snack.
Sorry, my stomach hates me.
I know why you're hungry, but don't worry if you can't relax on an empty stomach. We've got plenty of energy and food and drinks, Hotshot.
Oh, thanks.